Hey Sidekicks, welcome back to another 100 Days Making Comics. Today is day 30, and I think I'm actually getting a bit of a sore throat right now, and plus my mum just got home, and I think it's just going to be a bit noisy in the background, so I thought I'd just let some music play while you guys just enjoy this time lapse, and I'll just show you the usual stuff at the ending. Hope you don't mind. Okay, enjoy. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, and if you want to see me complete this challenge, hit subscribe. Also hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And once again, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. Have a good day.